Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make quesadillas fritas. These crispy, fried delights are a fantastic treat, often filled with savory ingredients. We'll cover everything from preparing the masa dough to achieving that perfect golden crunch. Get ready to enjoy a delicious, homemade snack that's surprisingly simple to create. Let's dive into the steps for this easy guide. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: masa harina, warm water, and a pinch of salt. Combine these in a bowl, mixing until a soft, pliable dough forms. Knead it gently for a few minutes, then cover it and let it rest for about 15 minutes. This resting period helps the dough become more manageable and easier to work with. Now for the fun part, the filling. You can use your favorite cheese like oaxaca or mozzarella, or a savory mixture of cooked meats or vegetables. Take a small ball of dough, press it into a thin, round tortilla, then place your chosen filling on one half. Carefully fold the other half over and firmly seal the edges to prevent any filling from escaping during frying. Heat about 2 to 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your quesadillas fritas into the hot oil, frying them for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Remove them, drain on paper towels, and serve immediately with your favorite salsa, sour cream, or guacamole for a truly delightful experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.